to fuck the 8-Ball and MJG.
Hey, big buddy.
You look
Hey,
like
big
you
buddy.
used to fuck the 8-Ball and MJG.
You look like you took your lips off.
Time out, man. The people gotta understand what y'all saying. Boo, what did you say? He
You
said
look
what?
like Spike from Tom and Jerry. Hey, little buddy. Hey, hey, little buddy. Let's play. Hey, little buddy.
What up? It's your boy. And it's your boy Kapone, man. We back with another video, man. Y'all, man, welcome back, y'all. Hey, back with another video, man. Like I said, y'all, we finna get into it. Okay, Roast Me Battlegrounds, episode 16, Bull Kapone. Like I said before in my previous reaction video, Bull Kapone is my favorite out of the whole All Death cast, man, bro. He's funny as hell, old as fuck. References and old as fuck, but hey, bro, he's funny as hell, dog. But you know how that shit go, man. So we about to go ahead and get into it. Let's go. Get it.
You know why the Whopper beat the Big Mac. The Whopper beat the Big Mac. The Whopper beat the Big Mac.
Welcome to Roast Me Battlegrounds, a comedic show where we see who can survive the hot seat against a panel of the world's top roasters. I'm your host, Brandon Lewis. And let's get this show started. In the hot seat first, all the way from Los Angeles, California, the one and only. Y'all give it up for Boo Kapone, y'all.
Hey,
Boo
hey,
Kapone.
well, let me land, B.
You bitch you.
You bet you. Let me land merch, man.
Hey.
Buddy Boy t-shirt, Buddy
them know,
Boy, man.
man.
Come on, let me land. It's my merch, y'all. Come on, man. I'm fucking with y'all, man. I love y'all like cooked food, man.
How you feel, man?
I'm feeling. How you been, bro?
The people love you, dog.
Man, I thank you, man. I
You a
love you.
star,
I love,
man.
man.
You started off as the most hated. That's why I tell the one and only,
Yes.
because they used to hate you.
Yes.
Now they love you.
And it's been a progression, man. And it's because of y'all, man. I love y'all, man. Y'all just stood behind me and just rooted for me, man, until I got to where I'm supposed to be. And it's a lot of fun, man. I do this because it's a family and it's fun, man.
All right, nigga, you getting along with it. All right. You ready? I got 3 people for you, man.
What they got?
Are you ready, man?
I'm ready. Eyes ready. Eyes ready.
Coming to the
I'm
Battlegrounds
ready.
first, man.
Eyes ready.
All the way from Memphis, Tennessee. Y'all give it up for J.R., y'all.
Oh, shit.
J.R. Y'all give it up for J.R.,
Oh,
man.
shit, this nigga.
What's up, man?
Y'all get up for Randy. Get your Randy Jackson looking ass up. Sit your dirty tattoo having ass down.
Man, bro, why you gotta get on me like that, bro?
You look like you stink. You comb your hair with chicken bones, nigga.
Man, you don't get your high top boxing shoes wearing that.
Every time you talk, your tongue turn yellow. Every time you smile, claws slow down.
Why you got a miniature Oreo on your nose?
You took every tooth out your mouth to eat some pussy. You got a dick tattooed on your eye, man. Get your ass like
What you said? He took his teeth out to do
Eat
what?
some pussy, all his teeth. I'm gonna eat some pussy.
Whoa, not the ass, man. Come
do say
on.
good
I hate
morning,
that
America.
shit, bro. Right when I was getting into it.
You let a nigga get your tattoo on your ass.
You like you ate the forbidden bubblegum off Willy Wonka and it made you your belly expand. Fat ass nigga. You ate a backpack then. Big belly ass nigga.
You could blow a bubble with it now later.
What?
That's strong.
That nigga got teeth tattoos.
You ate a lifetime supply of jawbreakers and they trying to bust out your stomach.
Nigga, you got 5 watches on and be late. You be late. I love you. Ugly as a motherfucker. You look like you sleep on the top of Snoopy's house. Get your Woodstock face ass out of here.
You like the dad out the Gucci movie.
Nigga, you look like you gonna say, stop, no, go, move. Get your ass out of
You
here.
secretly hiding braids underneath your do-rag, guys.
You look like, I'm only a
When
bill.
you take that off, you be like Tyronn Lue back
I'm
then,
only a
dog.
bill, then it's still. Michael Bivins looking ass out here.
Wait, hold on, time
No,
out.
what?
Wait. What was that dude? Hold on, say it again.
Remember the little, the letter, I'm only a bill, then it's still. I'm gonna sit on top of the hill. I'm only a
That nigga
bill.
said you sitting on Capitol Hill.
That's how you know this man is 112 years old, bro. This man knows
That's
everything. You don't get your human
Schoolhouse Rock.
encyclopedia looking at
It
it.
look like you peel all your hair off.
It was like you had difficulty hearing in your left ear because it's smaller than your right ear.
Look like you got a permanent stocking ass on.
Hey,
Nigga,
symmetrical face ass nigga.
you took your
Like
mask
you
off.
swallowed a punching bag.
You look like Kimbo No Slice.
You got a little net stain on your shirt.
Look, why you shaking? Get your black diamond.
You don't get your Parkinson's disease spokesman looking at it. Big eyeballs at him. How your eyeballs big and small at the same time? Confused vision at him.
Get your tank looking ass. If it's only for the tank.
Boom, boom. What's the song again?
If it's only for a nigga.
All right, man, we're gonna let you go, man. Hey, we're gonna let you go, JR.
Hey, you
Appreciate
funny,
it, man.
You funny as hell. I hope you fart soon so your shirt don't rip open. Big ass
Get the
nigga.
picture, Rick James. Get the,
What was the song again?
if it's only
your
for a
bill.
nigga.
No, the other one.
If it's only a bill, then it's still. It's gonna be a law sitting on top of a hill. It's gonna be a law. It look like that little newspaper.
That's Schoolhouse Rocks. That's funny, nigga. You keep coming up with some old rappers.
I'll be right, big, cause cause if I could go back, then people know that I know where your wits at.
Coming to the Battlegrounds, this is my guy, all the way from Macon, Georgia, Mactown. Y'all give it up for David Lucas.
God,
Lucas.
What up, nigga?
What's up, nigga?
hey, what's going on, David Lucas? What's up? Sit your fat ass down, nigga. You gotta get up to get down. Gotta get up to get down. Big ass nigga. What's going on, nigga? You fat and fat. That's it. I'm gonna say something else. You just fat and fat.
You look like Garfield that sell DVDs, nigga.
Okay. But nigga look like you got hungry and put hot sauce on your hair and ate it.
You look like a fat ass rat, nigga.
Why your lips look like every time you smile say Kool-Aid? Kool-Aid. You look like a fat ass army inductor.
You look like you go scuba diving for loose change, nigga.
You look like you finna say grenade. Nigga, $5 grenade. Nigga jump on the grenade. Grenade. Get your big ass. Nigga, you do what, nigga? Hey, listen, Dillamil. That's how you Dillamil? That's how you nigga, you know why the Whopper beat the Big Mac. 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 Hey!
Hey, boy, you look like you sell loose cigarettes in the nursing home, nigga.
You look like you took a bitch on a date and she didn't eat nothing. He starved that bitch. He starved that bitch. You're not eating nothing. You're not eating nothing.
This nigga is unroastable, bro. This is an old ass. This nigga is unroastable, bro.
That nigga had some food in the corner of his mouth last week, took that and barbecued it.
Just saying
The
anything.
corner of his mouth. Big lip ass. Your lips so big every time you smile, the back of your ears get wet. Big lip motherfucker. That nigga went like this to some white women. Tell me more, tell me more, tell me more.
Tell me more, tell me
like-
more. That's funny.
What the fuck I
That
got
nigga
for
beat
this?
up a pigeon at KFC over some chicken. Brr, brr.
Damn, you
built
doing
that.
so good, boo. God
You
damn.
look like a fat Jamaican. Shut your ass up.
We both dying up here, dude.
No, you dying, nigga. 'Cause you hungry, nigga.
I never had jokes for this old ass nigga.
That nigga got every combination to every vending machine. That's 547, 789. I got it. Well, I got it.
Hey, boo, you was the first nigga to freestyle to a Mozart beat. Old ass nigga.
That's a good one.
What, hey, boo, what he gonna say when he, grenade!
Hey, this shit old ass nigga.
Big old nigga, big old young nigga, big old thick young nigga. Should be playing football. Nigga don't do nothing. Should be playing football, big ass nigga. Now he's a nurse. So, put your mask on. You got your mask on? Bring on me. Got your mask on? Put your mask on.
You should be playing football.
You should be playing football.
2 down, boo.
2 down.
2 down, man. 1 more to go, man.
My
How you
God.
feel so far?
I feel good, man. You know, I love the Roast Me Battleground because it's like we here, it's personal, and then we having fun, man.
This your
Come on,
strong
man.
suit, man.
I think it is.
Got 1 more to go.
One more?
You ready for it?
I'm ready.
All right.
2
Coming to the hot seat, all the way. Another guy from Memphis, man. You know what I'm saying?
Where's these
all
Memphis
the
niggas?
way from Memphis, Tennessee. Y'all give it up for Reggie Jr.
Oh,
76 cents in his pocket and a dream. That's all my granddaddy Clarence had when he left Alabama to
They
make
don't
a
want me
better
to be
life for
great,
his
bro.
family.
They don't
Now,
want me to be great,
I'm running
man.
for Senate to fight for all our family's futures. Will you join me?
No.
How would you like to maximize your company's return on
There we go.
ad spend? Be like John. He's a digital marketer at
Oh shit! Straight out of Memphis McDonald's. Sit your Reverend Christ ass down, nigga.
Hold on, man. I got it.
If I never would have made
Hey,
it,
man.
if it never would have made
Real
it
shit,
without you.
I just want to give praise to the king of the old nigga, young niggas, man. You keeping us relevant. Old nigga, young niggas.
It's
you know
not
what
like
I'm
you got a
saying?
microphone
Yeah.
inside your mouth. Sit your ass down, nigga.
Hey,
Got it.
I just want to give you. I
You
wanna
got,
give
you got
props.
what I want.
You
Get
look
your-
like you tell all your.
You got.
You look like you tell all your nephews that jail ain't that bad.
You look like you finna say, he won't go make it with all these worldly ways, drinking and gambling. That's what everybody, all these worldly ways. And drinking and gambling. He said, bubbly, bubbly, bubbly. In the church, we just locked the doors. He's not gonna make it with all these worldly ways, drinking and gambling, running with fast women. Get your
You
dick
ain't
up
gonna
in the church
get
real
nowhere.
fast.
You ain't gonna get nowhere smoking the pipe.
Yup, you're around your neck look like jerk ropes, nigga. A bitch can't give you a hickey. She gotta give you a hickey up under the hickey. Nigga, you got eczema, nigga. Get your ashy ass. Look like you just got whooped.
If we gonna go
You
with
look like you
physical,
got
if we gonna go with
slash,
physical flaws.
slash,
Hold on,
slash.
hold on. We're going to talk one at a time.
Yeah.
We're going to go
He
one
can't
at a
talk, brother. He can't even talk. What we gonna do? Look like you scat,
What I was
nigga.
gonna say, we're gonna talk about physical flaws. You know what I'm saying? You gotta pay 2 tickets to go to the movies when them hoes open back up and that shit on your nose. My nigga just said it earlier. But it's part of your life. You can't get it taken off. I can get some credit.
You sound like Teddy Pendergrass. Hey, turn off the lights. And by the candle.
You look like you just got through cutting
You
grass
look like
in
a
the J's.
homosexual gypsy, nigga.
You look like you. Okay, let's go ahead and get a rhythm going. Let's go ahead and get a rhythm going. You wanna-
Hold on. Listen,
let's get a rhythm
son,
going.
what you're doing is wrong.
That's what my nigga said. My nigga,
Gangbanger.
I ain't never seen salt and pepper hair
Gangbanger.
stick up through a do-rag before. My nigga had
Hey.
salt and pepper coming through his do-rag. You look like you shaking your shit on your seat.
You got what I want. Get your ass
Hey,
up.
my nigga lost his virginity.
We gotta go one at a time, man. Y'all can't. The people can't hear y'all.
Hold on, Commodores.
Nah, just tell my nigga Marv Albert over this bitch, airlines and everything a nigga do. Listen, check this out. This
Your
what I wanna-
tongue is hoarse.
This is all like, I keep getting cut up. You cut me off every time I do.
Shut
It's
your
all good.
Mr. T looking ass up. If you want a woman, come to my thing. He should have never came back. Get your growly face ass
My
out of
nigga
here.
lost his virginity to Huey Lewis Power of Love. Ugly
Nigga,
ass
you
nigga.
nigga,
That's the
shut your-
power of
Shut your
love.
spike,
Look at that
nigga.
nigga,
Hey,
man.
big buddy. Get
Hey,
your
man.
spike from Tom and Jerry. Look at that.
You
Hey,
used
big
to
buddy.
fuck the A-Ball and MJG.
Hey, big buddy.
You look
Hey,
like
big
you
buddy.
used to fuck the A-Ball and
You look
MJG.
like you took your lips off.
man. Time out, man. The people gotta understand what y'all saying. Boo, what did you say? He
You
said
look like
what?
Spike from Tom and Jerry. Hey, little buddy. Hey, hey, little buddy. Hey, little buddy. You look like that pit bull. Nigga. Hey, little buddy.
I'm
Hey,
gonna
little
go
buddy.
now. I'm gonna go now. You look like the little chicken that be with foghorn leghorn. Like, come on, give me a chance. That's what you look like. You look like the little chicken that be with foghorn. You an old ass nigga. You get there. Don't leave me hanging. You old as fuck. You remember Looney Tunes.
Why you
when
don't
them
let
hoes
nobody else
came
talk?
out.
That's why you gotta let them go, man.
Your breath
You
stinks.
answering
Let
this
somebody else talk.
question.
Nigga, you put rims on a COVID-19. Shut your dumb ass up.
Where the fuck your shoulders at?
Why are your arms?
Why are your jeans dirty? No, hold on.
Why are your arms
How did you
ashy?
come? You so comfortable coming to this production, you don't even clean your jeans no more?
What nigga not gonna show these couches that you got on? What type of pants you got on?
My nigga got on some Jordans
Wait
with
till
no
they tell me
joints.
some more pants have it on, nigga. They said, nigga, you was asshole nigga at an amusement park.
You go, man.
Found, look
We're
at
gonna
that
let
out
it go,
here.
man. We're gonna
Hey,
let you
man,
go,
I
man. We're gonna let you
appreciate
That
go,
nigga got
man.
beat up at a butt naked Trump rally. Get up. Get your ass out of here. Get your ass out of here.
Boo Kapone, my uncle, man. You a bitch
fat
ass nigga but
pastor.
call me a uncle.
You the
You my
fat
uncle,
pastor.
nigga.
Get your fat pastor built there with them old ass auntie pants.
Hey, what'd you say, Boo? You ain't gonna make it with all these worldly ways. What'd
You
you
don't
say?
make it. See, you don't make all they doing these worldly ways. Gambling and drinking, smoking, running with fast women, gambling smoking and drinking.
and
You're not
smoking.
gonna make it with all these women. See, he don't know. He said, "Oh, look at me, look at me." He don't know. He's on the fast track.
Yeah,
He'll
man,
make it
it's
all these
so
worldly
funny, man.
ways.
It's so funny,
Smoking
man.
and drinking.
You survived, man. You feel like you survived? That's it.
Yeah, that's it.
You got some funny moments, bro.
Thank you, brother.
I like when you be singing and stuff. What's the one? If it's only a
If it's only a bill, then it's still, then it be a law, sitting on top of the hill. Top of the hill.
And that's been another episode of Roast Me Battlegrounds, man. Let us know in the comment section, did Boo survive the episode?
Yeah,
I'm your
he
host,
did.
Brandon Lewis, and we are out.
Yo, that was funny, bro. This is a reaction video for that. But yeah, bro, y'all, if y'all like this video, man, make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, man. And yo, until next time, y'all. Peace.